Hey everybody, let's just check out what just came in the mail today. I've been waiting for this for a while. Trucks Accessories has come out with awesome new light. So right here we got the TLED H12s and H11s for the high beam and the low beam. There's only two companies making lights like this that are heated lens, that are in the LED projection. Big difference in them is the competition has a 2-year warranty. Trucks Accessories has a 7-year warranty. This company, Trucks, they have similar price points. Around suggested MSRP is $240. I don't know about you, but I'd like to know that I'm never gonna have to replace a headlight out of my pocket for 7 years. So let's pull these out and see what we got. So as you can see, you can just barely see the heating element in the lens. These are DOT certified. The competition is not. Like I say, again, 7-year warranty, 5 years longer than anybody else doing these. You got your traditional plug-in, got a nice sleek look, flat, smooth. So that's your low beam. Your high beam looks identical. It's got the little lines where your heating element is. The other thing that the instructional video will tell you is these do not heat year-round, all day, all night. They heat when it hits 3 degrees Celsius. I haven't looked up yet what Celsius is to Fahrenheit, but I'm guessing that's right around 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So it will make, these don't run when it's hot out, only when it's cold enough to produce ice. So with all that being said, I think this Trucks Accessories TLED H11 and H12 lights are head and shoulders above the competition with a 7-year warranty. 5 more years of warranty, but when you consider for 7 years, you're never gonna have to buy another light. You'll be covered. I have never had trucks ever not stand behind their product. I've never had anything, never had an issue, never had to eat anything myself for owning the chrome shop. They have always covered their products. So anybody that says they've had problems with trucks standing behind the product, I think it'd be more the dealer you went to, not trucks themselves, because I've never had an issue. Back when I was driving a semi, between knocking off the ice, having to stop and do that, if you stop and do that every, even if you have to do that once a day or once every evening in the winter, it takes at least 15 minutes by the time you slow down, stop, get out, clean it, get you back up to speed, get going. You lost 15 minutes. Now figure that up 7 days a week, or 6 days a week, or 5 days a week, whatever you want to figure. It pays for itself if your time's worth anything. So, love this product, and hope you guys will check it out. About 50% of the trucks are wired different ways. Sometimes you hook the lights right up and the LEDs, they just work. Others, you have to flip or reverse the negative and positive, which right here is what Brad's showing you, is how he pushes that out, how he pushes the spade out, switches it to the other side, and then everything will work fine, as you'll see here. They wouldn't work, which is about 50% of the trucks are wired correctly, and 50% of the trucks are wired incorrectly. So here we just push the spades out, switch sides, put them back in, and so you changed your negative and your positive, and they work just fine. Very simple to do, just takes a couple minutes.
Yeah.
Here Brad is applying wire grease. It's to help prevent corrosion in the elements.
But I know if I call you'll answer.
Okay, high beam.
Tough enough driving a truck in the winter. Why use outdated halogen or standard LED headlights that are constantly covered with snow and ice? You need something that performs better. Trucks Accessories has the perfect solution. Introducing our brand new heated LED projector headlights, available in both low beam and high beam. Truck's revolutionary LED projector headlights feature quick heat technology and automatic heat activation, using sensors to detect the outside temperature. When the sensor reads 3 degrees Celsius or less, elements quickly heat up to melt any buildup. Our unique flat surface lens allows any snow or ice to slide off fast and efficiently, leaving no obstructions blocking your visibility. Truck's projector LED technology is 4 times brighter than halogen lights and twice as bright as standard LED lights, and provide a wide and even beam of brilliant bright light. Truck's lower half-moon shaped beam pattern meets stringent DOT standards, whereas the competition uses a full moon beam pattern, which is not compliant because the upper portion of the beam may blind oncoming traffic. With an IP67 waterproof rating, a heavy-duty polycarbonate lens, and an aluminum die-cast housing, these heated headlights are built to endure the toughest conditions. Designed to last and backed with the longest warranty on the market at 7 years. So choose Trucks heated headlights, because winter is coming. For more information or to find a local distributor, please visit our website at truxaccessories.com.